झालं का चालेल? Okay. Here first two steps are completed. First step is excitation of helium atom. These electrons collide with helium atoms and these helium atoms jump from F1 to F2 and F1 to F3. Second step is, what is second step? These excited helium atoms, means helium atoms present at the energy level F2 and F3, they collide with neon atoms. They transfer their energy to the neon atoms, which neon atoms get energy from the helium atoms, and they jump from E1 to E4 and E1 to E6. Means population of energy level E4 and population of energy level E6 increases. Means third step is state of population inversion is achieved between, पहिली step है, what is first step? State of population inversion is achieved between E6 and E3. Are you getting? E6 and E3. Second state of population inversion is achieved between E6 and E5, and third E4 and E3. And due to this first E6 to E3, we are getting lesser light. A neon atom, they jump from E6 to E3, we are getting lesser light. इथे lesser light मिळते आपल्याला. Okay, due to transition from E6 to E3, पहिला फोटॉन आहे, then दोन फोटॉन झाले त्याचे पुन्हा 4 झाले. We are getting lesser light. कुठल्या कलरची? रेड कलरची. त्याची वेवलेंथ किती आहे? 6328 angstrom unit. Due to transition from E6 to E3, we are getting lesser light of wavelength 6328 angstrom unit, means it is in visible region. And which color is there? Red color. त्याच्या पहिल्यामुळे आपल्याला काय मिळालं? पहिल्यामुळे रेड कलरची लाईट मिळाली. त्याची वेवलेंथ किती आहे हो? 6328 angstrom unit. Second type of is, what is second? State of population inversion is achieved between E6 and E5. E6 and E5. This is E6 level is there. This is E5 is there. Due to this, we are getting lesser light of wavelength 3.39 micrometer. It is far IR region, far infrared region, far IR region. हे दुसरा transition झालं. Third type is, the state of population inversion is achieved between E4 and E3. Due to this, we are getting lesser light of wavelength. This is 1 point E4 to E3. We are getting lesser light of wavelength 1.15 micrometer. Okay, 1.15 micrometer, and it is in IR region, infrared region. That's third step. Third step कोण सांगताय मला? What is third step? Population of energy level कुठल्या कुठल्या वाढलाय? Any one? E4 and
E6.
E6. Population of energy level E4 and E6 increases. The state of population inversion is achieved between
E6 and E3.
E6 and E3. Second?
E6 and E5.
Second E6 and E5. Third is
E4 to E3.
E4 to E3. पहिला E6 to E3. Due to this transition from E6 to E3, we are getting lesser. Its wavelength is E6 to E3. We are getting lesser light of wavelength. Lesser light of wavelength
628.
म्हणजे we are getting which color? Red color.
Red.
Okay, then second is transition from E4 to E3. E4 to E3.
1.152.
1.15 means 1.15 micrometer. And which color is which region is there? Infrared region. And third is, what is third?
E6 to E5.
E6 to E5. We are getting lesser light of wavelength. Lesser light of wavelength
3.391
micrometer. म्हणजे third step is, what is next step is third step. The state of population inversion is achieved between, okay, state of population inversion is achieved between, first is E6 to E3. Write it. Everyone please write it. Third workingचं third level. Out of 4 level, this is third level. The state of population inversion is achieved between first, write it, E6 to E3, E6 to E3, E6 to E3 dash, write it, generates a lesser beam of red color, generates a lesser beam of red color. The first step I will show now. Okay, see here, this is the energy level E6. E6 is there. Population of energy level E6 and E3, E4. First transition is from which level to which level? E6 to
E6 to E3.
E6 to E3. We are getting lesser light of wavelength. Which color?
Red.
Red color. Second, write it. Second, E4 state of population inversion is achieved between E4 and E3. State of population inversion is achieved between E4 and E3. Let it E4 to E3. Produces IR laser beam. Produces IR means infrared laser beam. Produces IR laser beam of wavelength 1.15 micrometer. IR laser beam of wavelength 1.15 micrometer. Here E4 to E3. Second, this is the E4 to E3. We are getting laser beam of wavelength 1.15 micrometer. It is in IR region. IR means infrared region. Okay. Then third, the state of population inversion is achieved between what is third?
E6 to E5.
E6 to E5. Write it. E6 to E5. E6 to E5 generates a laser beam. Generates a laser beam in far IR region. Generates laser beam in far infrared region of wavelength 3.39 micrometer. Far infrared region of wavelength 3.39 micrometer. It means we are getting three types of laser. First laser is red color, second is IR region of wavelength 1.15 micrometer, and third laser it is in far IR region, its wavelength is 3.39 micrometer. So due to these three, due to state of population inversion and stimulated emission. A state of population inversion between these three levels, E6 to E3, E4 to E3 and E6 to E3, and we are getting here stimulated emission. Which type of emission is here? Which type of emulation is there?
Stimulated emission.
Stimulated emission. Okay, due to stimulated emission, we are getting three types of laser. The next step is here. These two states means E3. This is E3, and E3 and E5. These two are the excited state or normal excited state. हे मेटास्टेबल स्टेट्स नाहीत. E4 मेटास्टेबल आहे, E6 मेटास्टेबल आहे. E5 मेटास्टेबल स्टेट आहे का हो? नाही. E3 पण E5 मेटास्टेबल स्टेट आहे का? नाही. इट इज नॉर्मल एक्साइटेड स्टेट. इट इज नॉर्मल एक्साइटेड स्टेट. हे पण कसले आहे? E3 इज ऑल्सो excited state, and due to these transitions from E3 to E2 किंवा E5 to E2 हे स्पॉन्टेनियस आहेत. these transitions are spontaneous emissions. कुठले स्पॉन्टेनियस आहेत हो? निऑन atoms they jump E3 to E1, E3 to E2 आणि E5 to E2 हे कसले ट्रान्झिशन्स आहेत? Spontaneous emission. They are not controllable. त्यामुळे आपल्याला coherent light मिळत नाही. We are not getting non-coherent light. Non-coherent. So non-coherent means we are not getting laser beam here. Then again this E2 is again metastable state. E2 काय झाली अजून? E2 is again metastable state. Then okay, E2 is again metastable state. Again state of population inversion is achieved between E2 and E1. पुन्हा कोणामध्ये झालो स्टेट ऑफ पॉप्युलेशन इन्व्हर्शन अगेन
E2 and E1.
फोर्थ स्टेप आता फोर्थ लेवल आपली 3 लेवल झाले दिस इज फोर्थ लेवल ओके स्टेट ऑफ पॉप्युलेशन इन्व्हर्शन इज अचीव्ड बिटवीन E2 and E1 and these neon atoms इकडे आले की ह्या हाफ पार्टच्या इकडे आले की काय म्हणायचं निऑन आणि इकडे आले की काय म्हणायचं helium. Okay, these neon atoms present at the energy level E2 they collide with wall of the tube. हे ग्लास ट्यूब आहे का ग्लास ट्यूबच्या वॉलला कोलाइड होतात ते निऑन एटम मिरर्स आहेत these neon atoms present at the energy level E2 they collide with wall of the tube and they give their energy to the wall of the tube, they transfer their energy to the wall of the tube and they jump from E2 to E1. They jump from E2 to E1 means here written de-excitation by collision with walls. De-excitation by collision with walls. Means what is fourth step? काय सांगणार fourth step? E2 is again
metastable
E2
state.
is again metastable state. Neon atoms present at the energy level E2 they collide with कशावर collide होतात they collide with
Wall of tube.
wall of the tube they transfer their energy to the
The wall.
and they jump from okay they jump from
E2 to
to
E1.
E1 okay E2 to E1 this is the working of HENE laser okay last part is remaining write it from the level E5 and E3 the fourth part from the level E5 and E3 neon atoms from the levels E5 and E3 neon atoms can make downward transitions from the levels E5 and E3 neon atoms can make downward transitions to E2 level from E5 and E3 neon atoms can make downward transitions to E2 level due to which type of emission
Spontaneous emission.
due to spontaneous emission due to spontaneous emission full stop E2 level is metastable state 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 therefore neon atoms tend to accumulate ACCUMULATE at this level once again neon atoms tends to accumulate at this level once again full stop